I'm so excited to show you 1905 Palo Verde today. This one is a lot of fun. Welcome inside. And the sellers would like to point out this is a Frank Lloyd Wright Inspired Havasu masterpiece, particularly in the price range. I have a really nice view of the Chemehuevi Mountains, and the lake is out there on the horizon as well from in the living room, and you notice this entire panoramic glass wall. You would have absolutely tremendous sunset views just about the entire calendar year, as the December sunset would be out to the south here, and then June and summer solstice would be out just beyond the Chemehuevi Mountains there. But as you look around, you're going to see all kinds of architectural details. Look at the ceiling here over the dining, and beautiful granite countertops. We'll step in the kitchen here in just a moment. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 2-car garage. Beautiful cabinetry, high-end appliances. Just incredible style we don't see often in Havasu. Before we take a look at the bedrooms, I'm going to run you out. Got a little flashing light here. Through the laundry and super neat office area that it doubles up into garage. So I'll have to give you some lights hopefully here. The garage, although it's a Palo Verde address, the garage will sit off of Willow, a quiet street, so easy to pull in. Lots of cabinetry. Very useful layout. And in addition to this garage area, you have this shop area here, and those double doors open out to the backyard that we'll step out to at the end. So stick with me till the end to see that. Just keep looking at all the extras. Now we're on Lower Palo Verde, almost down to Highway 95. But super close down to the lake from this location. And a bedroom 2 and 3 we're going to step into here to start. The higher ceilings. Nice fixtures on the doors. And at the price point, you'd be very hard pressed to find a home with this much style and detail. Hall bathroom 2. Some beautiful granite counters. There I am in the mirror. Hi guys. And a shower tub. Bedroom 2 currently they have set up as an office. Architect plans over there. Very high ceilings in here. Make it a great office, or you could turn it back into bedroom 3. Now, master bedroom is beautiful. Wait till we look at this. Go here. It's kind of its own wing of the home. From in bed, I can see the lake quite well. Actually, really good lake view from when you're sitting up in bed. Lots of details, as you can see, is extra switches. Just laid out very smart. Built-in speakers throughout, and fireplace right here in your bedroom. This is just a beauty, actually. I'm really impressed by the lake view from your bedroom window. And let's look at the master bath. Also, again, beautiful granite counters and nice fixtures. Has the Roman jetted tub, and look at that shower and all that glass enclosure. And as I say in so many videos, Julie's closet envy. Walk-in closet. This one has some nice drawers and shelving. Actually, beautiful master bath. Well, let's go take a look outside to end this. You can see you could walk out through the, well, we'll go this way. Could go out that way. I'm going to take you through the patio here. And this is kind of an architectural wonder. If you look up, it really neat covered patio. Lets some light through, but I feel the heat being dissipated by the trellis there. And you can walk around where we'd see the master closet or master bedroom here. Now, what's interesting about this home, some people would point out you have the driveway and the garage. They do have this gated area here, and it would take some work, but not too much. You could turn that into an opening and then take out some of this landscaping, and it looks like you could put RV parking here pretty easily if you wanted to change this up. So there is some opportunity here. But again, I'm looking at the lake here. From the backyard, would be a fantastic pool area if you wanted to do that. Sunny, bright, south facing, and just a fantastic home. I'd love to show it to you. I know anyone on our team, Julie Pouget, myself, my wife, Julie Lewis, we'd all be happy to bring you here. And we would love to show you this home or any other home in Lake Havasu City. We'll end this with a little drone shot up at the sky, but if you have any questions about Lake Havasu real estate, give us a call anytime. We hope to see you soon.